Hello everyone. Today's recipe is for kali masoor ki dal, which is whole brown lentils. It is delicious. My family makes it in this way. I know that everyone has their special family way to make lentils. Try it the way my family makes it, my mom makes it, and let me know how you like it. Step 1, whole brown lentils, which is sabut masoor kali dal. In a pot, add 2 cups of washed whole brown lentils, which is whole masoor dal. Add 10 cups of water. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Add 7 whole garlic bulbs, peeled and wash, and mix well. Cover and bring it to boil. Reduce heat to medium-low and cook for about an hour, or till the lentils are creamy. Add more water if the lentils need to be cooked more. Stir occasionally. Once the lentils are almost cooked, reduce heat to low. With a basting spoon, squish garlic against the sides of the pot. Add salt to taste. Add about 10 to 15 dried or fresh mint leaves. Add 3 green chilies chopped. Mix well. Cover and cook on medium-low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally. Once the dal lentil is creamy or the preferred consistency, cover and remove from heat. Step 2, Baghar, which is tadka. In a small wok or frying pan, add quarter cup of oil on high heat. Add 6 whole dried red chilies. Fry them for about a minute on high heat. Add half an onion sliced and stir. Stir often. Fry onions till golden brown. Stir frequently. Once the onions are golden brown, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Stir and fry for just about 5 seconds. Pour the fried onion mixture in the lentil pot and mix well. It's done. Cover and remove from heat. For tips, number 1, add tamarind while cooking. Number 2, use a pressure cooker if you want for faster cooking. Number 3, add water during cooking if the lentils are too thick and still need to cook. Number 4, use a hand blender to blend the dal when cooked for more creamy dal before baghar or tadka. Pour the lentils on basmati rice or have it with roti or naan. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, comment and share. Thank you for watching Creative Moments. Bye!